I got it.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Garfield County in southeast Washington, northwestern Houghton County in southeast Washington, southern Whitman County, Adams County in north central Washington, southern Grant County in north central Washington, until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. 4:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated a line of severe.
Yep, 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. Oh, never mind, one of them's not for me.
70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north to 11.
God damn it, I can't get the station.
Business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Areas of flowing dust are expected near and ahead of the thunderstorms. Motorists can expect poor visibility and should reduce speeds accordingly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington: Adams, Houghton, Garfield, Grant, and Whitman. Now here is the hazardous weather.